Okay. So monitor asynchronous Apex data. Under the asynchronous Apex, we have a monitor the asynchronous Apex task is there. I will go here, challenge. Okay. So what type of jobs do not to show the Apexness flex queue? Okay, we'll go for the future method jobs. Next, so which statement is true regarding the flex queue? Which statement? So you can submit up to 200 batch jobs execution. Jobs are processed in the first out key. So jobs are processed first in, first out. Right? So done. Check the quiz. Done. So we completed asynchronous Apex module.